Welcome. In this video I will show you how to toggle web camera on HP ELITEBOOK 846. So in order to toggle the web camera of your laptop, you have to go to the Start menu, then open Settings, and then select Bluetooth and Devices. Now from here go to Cameras, then select the HP HD camera, which is the camera integrated into your laptop, and to turn it off, click Disable, then Confirm. To turn it back on, click Enable. And also don't forget that your camera has a manual shutter to it, which you can slide to the left side to open it and to the right side to close it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.